Hello everyone! Let's go tour to Astoria, Boracay in the Philippines. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Let's go! Well, ito na po yung room key natin. Automatic room key po siya. So, as long na pumapasok tayo ng room, i-insert lang po natin yan sa around entrance at magkaroon na po tayo ng ilaw. At ito po yung mga rules niya. There you go. Ito po yung beds. At yung sa loob po ng beds, yung pintura niya ang ganda. And then, telephone na po pwede tayong tumawag ng domestic or international. And of course, the Bible too. It's very good to have a Bible. Okay, check natin yung mga amenities here. Comfort room. Yes, may mga extra siya na toothbrush, dental kit, and soup, shower cup. And this is the soup. And of course, lotion. At mayroon din pong extra towels. Ayan, conditioner, may cup po siya. And then, yung service nila, yung water, and then yan, complete yan. May tea, may coffee, and then tea. Of course, kettle, and then this one, 32 inches of TV. And there you go, restaurant, and meron po siyang pool by the restaurant. At very warm po yan. So kahit gabi po, pwede tayong mag-swimming at hindi po malamig ang tubig. Just stay tuned. Let's go more. Okay. Number one around the world, considered as a paradise island in the world. The best beach in the world. Ayan. Proud of Filipino. Boracay.
Lakad tayo station 1.
Ibaga din sa Tiglates.
Short video. Short video. Sama naman tayo, di ba?
Dami ko na ditong tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.